Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix "it's not you, it's us" on a Facebook dating. So let me explain what this error basically is. It typically indicates a temporary glitch or a problem with the app itself. So to fix this, what you just need to do is try and basically deleting and reinstalling Facebook. So if I hold Facebook icon right here, we have the uninstall option. Just go ahead and uninstall this, go to your Play Store and reinstall it. Again, come here, click on search and just type in Facebook. There you go. Open that up and download this, install this. Now the other reasons are basically age restrictions. So if I come here on my profile menu, basically Facebook dating is only available to users who are 18 or older. And if your account is also inactive or it's new, you might not have access to dating yet. And if you have violated Facebook's terms of service, community standings, or other policies, you may have been restricted from using your dating. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.